is so bent. Holy crap.
This is it. The adventure east begins.
We are taking Hightower and ourselves and Pam across the country to Florida for the very first time in the rig. We'll see how it goes.
But first, Sealy Lake, Montana.
Look at the cool rocket.
Ooh.
Not me. This is like going on our first full day in this spot, and came outside and it's super smoky. You can smell it in the air, and you can see it in the sky, and just the haze everywhere. Thankfully, it doesn't smell smoky in the rig. It's actually warmer out here than it is in the rig, which is shocking. But we're trying to get some type of solar powers to our generators, but
Got to 50.
oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
With no direct sun. Oh,
It's a little half if you want to go over that.
wow.
Pretty, very clear. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. It's really wide.
Yeah. Pretty quick.
Yeah, and it is super clear. Nice multicolored rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah, unfortunately the air quality sucks. Can't really sit out here. I'm already feeling kind of sick.
Very smoky afternoon here. It's about 4 o'clock. The camera makes it look brighter than it is. We've got a flood warning. Good morning. This is our last day in this spot. Pretty nice spot, very quiet. Only one person drove down this road the entire time we were here. It's Friday, we've been here since Monday. I'm gonna drive about 3.5 hours to Bozeman. Hopefully find somewhere to overnight there.
What is it?
It's a squirrel.
Oh, it is. It's a tiny squirrel.
I was driving along the highway and I hit something. Not even sure what it was. We got this on this one, and then in the exact same spot right here. So but I'm gonna take it out and put it back. I think it'll be fine. If it were to be bent anywhere, we'd want it bent there, but I'm gonna take it out and see if it still works smoothly. Here at Sealy Lake Dump Station. They got potable water. The sign here says potable water. And oh, maybe you can take a little shower. And $10 honor system, which I'll pay, of course, because I'm an honorable gentleman. Next stop is Bozeman, which is about 3 hours away. I'm gonna meet Sarah there. We're gonna do some grocery shopping at Winco.
The plan is to meet at the Winco in Bozeman, and I like the Winco because one, they have sashimi grade salmon. Oh, so good. Utter chaos. What are they doing? Oh my gosh. They're all over the freaking road, dude. They're like deer. They really need a healthy fear of cars. They really do. Oh, are they driving on the road? Yes, they are. Oh my a new one of these, actually. But I would love a rubber one. The one that came with the RV was rubber and it lasted forever. Now we've purchased, since that rubber one got a hole in it, we've purchased two of these in like a year and a half. Look at this place. It's a gas station, but it's also like a feed store. Look at all this stuff. Ooh, jet boils. That's kind of cool. Do I need anything here? I'd love to get some of these, but it's very expensive. Let's see what they are elsewhere. Oh, this is cool. USB charged. I should get USB charged lights because I hate buying batteries. All right. Oh, look at those. Wow. They have breathe right strips for horses, medications for horses, cows, and drinks. Okay. I think I want, oh, they have liquid death, but I need something with energy, so. Wow, a king-size Swedish fish. Oh my goodness. You know what? I haven't had Skittles in a while. Skittles. I am on a road trip after all. Dirty truck. And puppy. Hi, you're so cute. You're a good boy. Got gas. went to the bathroom, got some snacks, back on the road. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Pumpkin spice. I want it. I want it. All right, that's literally all I'm here for. So it's 54 something, which is cheaper than it usually is. And look, they have a Barnes and Noble. Bless. Well, Winco only takes debit cards. They don't take credit cards. So I have Velocity Bank, so we pay everything with a credit card. We gotta find another place to get groceries. We're gonna go to Walmart, shop at Walmart. Not my fave, but it is what it is, because Safeway and Albertsons are just too expensive. But we're gonna go to Walmart, do our grocery shopping, spend the night, leave in the morning, and head for our next destination, whatever that may be. Look at this. They have like a whole RV tent city in Bozeman. Wow. I had no idea. And then this is like a dead end, and then you have these folks here. Look at that. People running their Jennies. Wow, very interesting. It's nice they're letting them stay here. Hopefully nobody's renting. It's not just the coasts anymore. Definitely not.
I just pulled into this Walmart. There's a lot of campers here. You can see down there. Sarah showed up. We'll see what she thinks.
Hey, I love this. A 2-spotter? Nice. Lots of fat lettuce. We'll see how those do. Look at this. Wow, pumpkin spice frosted flakes. Good grief. Tonight we're staying at Shy Walmart. There are like no overnight signs. However, we just scanned about $200 worth of groceries by ourselves. They owe us. And there's plenty of people here, so. And we're only gonna be here one night. So, there's some cool rigs. Look at that school bus, it's so big. And then there's this BT Cruiser right there. Try and get a shot of it. Isn't that neat? I love how tidy BT Cruisers look. And Born Freeze. So tidy. One of those things. One of those things. Lots of those expensive vans. Another van over there. Van. And then us. Hi, Kumi. Put it through the window. And then I find a place for it in the fridge. All right, back on the road after a pretty quiet night at Shea Walmart. Aaron's gonna follow 90, and then we have a spot from iOverlander that we're gonna check out in Bighorn National Forest. He's gonna go along 90. I'm gonna go the other way through a mountain pass. So hopefully there's some good views. Also, our fridge is very, very full. Lots of fresh veggies and things. So, yeah, it's hard to close, but thankfully there's this little latch. There's this little latch. So hopefully, it'll stay closed. Okay, well, the walkies aren't working, but it's fine. We're both traveling different routes anyway, so. There's that damage. So crazy. Still works though, so that's good. Aaron will get gas somewhere on the way. Bye.
We're just got on the road. I just got on I-90 and my fridge flight opened, so I'm gonna have to get off at the next exit and close it. I wonder if you can see the door. Oh yeah, there you can see it flopping open. Oh boy. So I'm gonna have to get off at the next exit and secure that. Okay.
I can't believe there are two. I don't know where Aaron is. I hate Google Maps so much. I really didn't think that I'd be able to find him with no internet.